Our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man swings into action, but today, something's a little off. Spider-Man's trusty Spidey-Sense is going haywire, picking up some unexpected quirks. Instead of warning him of danger, his Spidey-Sense now alerts him to some rather quirky new talents. Spidey becomes a master of paper folding, turning his downtime into creative origami sessions. But when tensions rise in the heart of the city, can these new skills be put to the test? In an unexpected turn, Spider-Man puts his juggling skills to action, capturing runaway hot dogs to save the day. The crowd watches in amazement as Spider-Man's quirky talents defuse the chaos. With a newfound confidence, Spidey embraces the power of his unusual abilities. Marveling at the day's events, Spider-Man ponders, maybe there's more to discover with his Spidey-Sense. Swing back for more adventures where anything can happen. Stay tuned, true believers.